Känner du paret då?
Ja, jag tror att han som gifte sig är min kusin.
Jib for Australia 2 in the works. I still have a cold, but I'm well enough to make some sales. So Australia 2 is pretty much ready to sail finally. I have, you can probably hear I have a pretty bad cold, and it's been going on for a week and a half now, so I'm pretty tired of it. But as you can see, it's bad lighting. The radio install is done. I need to cut 2 hatches tomorrow. This line connects to the jib, so by losing this I get more difference between the jib and the main. So this boat I have the jib sheet goes 50% of the main sheet. So since I'm not using a boom for the jib, it doesn't flap around on downwind as much. It's not going to come out as far. It was a decision I took. That's what we do on the mini rivals. So I made this jib in Kevlar Mylar today, and this is actually a main that I had for 64.75. What should have been Kookaburra 4, but it was a little bit too small, I thought, but it worked out perfect for Australia too. So I just replaced the I went with green for Australia. So this is 3D printed here, and I think this is a ceramics. I have that in both ends for the sheet, and that makes for very, very little resistance. I mean, it's basically, I think it's a sewing machine. I buy them at AliExpress. Excuse me. And then I see that I still need to add the screws, but that is a deck block that I make myself, 3D print, and it has a 3x7x3 ball bearing, stainless steel ball bearing, and then I 3D print a sheave for it, and it works out really good. I've been racing that on the mini rivals for several seasons now. I can show it to you on my desk. So this is the sheave, and this is the through block. Pretty simple design, but that's how it looks when it comes out of the printer. So the next boat I will put together, I think, will be the Peter Norlin 12 that I picked up used but never built. So that will be probably my next project. But I also have another Kookaburra 3 hull, and I have the keel and rudder. I have a lot of parts already made for it, so I will see. You can mention something in the comments what you would like to see for next build. So, but I was thinking of trying to finish up some of these boats that I have laying around. I also have plans to update the rig of Kooka 3 so that it has a sail groove sail groove in it. Thank you very much. We're almost 1,300 subscribers, so it's really cool for this small, very poorly edited YouTube channel. But thank you very much, and I work full time, and this is my hobby, and I've spent a lot of time on my so-called big boat the last month too. So thank you for bearing with me, and thanks for a thumbs up, and thanks for comments. I'll always try to comment back, so thank you very much. Bye.